Hello students, this video lecture is for class 4th, subject social science, lesson 1 and lesson name is Incredible India. One of the world's oldest civilization, India is also 7th largest country in the world. Our country has been known for its rich culture and heritage. It derives its name from Sindhu in Sanskrit, which is another name for the Indus River. Delhi is the capital of India. Now, what first paragraph says is that कि भारत दुनिया का सबसे पुरानी सभ्यताओं में से एक है और दुनिया की 7वीं सबसे बड़ा देश है एरिया वाइज, और इसका नाम सिंधु नाम से पड़ा, जो कि संस्कृत का वर्ड है रिवर, नदी इंडस के लिए, और इंडिया की कैपिटल दिल्ली है. इट कवर्स एरिया ऑफ 32,87,263 square kilometer. It is the second most populated country in the world after China. It is surrounded by the Great Himalayas on the north, Indian Ocean on the south, the Bay of Bengal on the east, and the Arabian Sea on the west. The Tropic of Cancer passes horizontally through India. Now, what this paragraph says is that area of the country is 32,87,263 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर, ये इसका एरिया है, और दुनिया की दूसरी सबसे पॉपुलेटेड कंट्री है चाइना के बाद. सबसे ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन चाइना में है, उसके बाद इंडिया में है. नॉर्थ में ग्रेट हिमालयस है इंडिया के, साउथ में इंडियन ओशन है, ईस्ट में बे ऑफ बंगाल है, और वेस्ट में अरेबियन सी है. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ, द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट. द इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट इज कंसिडर्ड ए वास्ट landmass, not just a country. It has many features of a continent, but it is not as big as a continent. Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, China, Maldives, and Myanmar and their neighboring countries are the neighboring countries of India. तो इंडिया के जो नेबरिंग कंट्रीज हैं, पड़ोसी देश, वो है अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, नेपाल, भूटान, श्रीलंका, चाइना, मालदीव्स और म्यांमार. नेक्स्ट है इंडियन स्टेट्स. सारे स्टेट्स के वन बाय वन करके मैं आपको नाम बता देता हूँ. फर्स्ट है आंध्र प्रदेश, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, असम, बिहार, छत्तीसगढ़, गोवा, गुजरात, हरियाणा, हिमाचल प्रदेश, झारखंड, कर्नाटका. इसके ठीक बगल में इसकी कैपिटल सिटीज लिखी हैं. नेक्स्ट केरला, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र, मणिपुर, मेघालय, मिजोरम, नागालैंड, उड़ीसा, पंजाब, राजस्थान, सिक्किम. तमिलनाडु, त्रिपुरा, उत्तर प्रदेश, उत्तराखंड, वेस्ट बंगाल, तेलंगाना. Now the union territories of India are Andaman and Nicobar Island, Chandigarh, Dadar and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu, National Capital of India, Delhi, Lakshadweep, Puducherry, Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Now few of the national symbols of the country are national flag, tricolor, national currency, Indian rupee, national anthem, Jan Gan Man, national song, Vande Mataram, national animal, tiger, national bird, peacock, national aquatic animal, Ganges River, dolphin, national sports, hockey. Actually, the sports part is written down here, and national heritage animal is elephant, which is written here above. National flower, lotus. national fruit mango, national vegetable pumpkin, national tree banyan, national river Ganga. So these are the national symbols. Make sure the correction. National heritage animal is here, elephant, and national sport is down here, hockey. Now, physical feature of India. Our country is also diverse in having physical features such as mountains, deserts, plains, plateaus, seesaws, islands, etc. And based on these physical features, our country is divided into the Himalayan mountains, the Peninsular or Deccan Plateau, the Northern Plains, the Thar Desert, the Eastern and Western coastal plains, the islands. These physical features make country richer in its natural resources. We enjoy cultural and regional diversity because of these physical features. So this was your first chapter of social science, and in next video there will be exercises and question answers. And if you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.